Good morning, year 3. Now, today we're going to be doing multiplying and dividing together. Last week we looked at multiplying by 3, 4 and 8 and dividing by 3 and 4. Now, if you look at the drawings we have today, we've got an array, which is just like an arrangement of blue flowers. Now we're going to use these flowers to make multiplication and division fact families. Now this is whenever we find one fact and we can make 3 more facts using them with multiplying and dividing. So if we look at our array, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in a column. So a column goes down, a row goes across. We have 4 in a column, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row. So we could group these together, these 4 together. So we could say we have that be 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, 4 groups of 4, 5 groups of 4 and 6 groups of 4. So if we put that into a number sentence, it would be 6 groups with 4 flowers in each group. Now, can you work out what 6 times 4 is? So you could count all of the flowers if you want. You should be able to know what 6 times 4 is, but if you don't, we know our 5 times tables. We know 4 times 5 is 20, and if it's one more group of 4 than 20, 20 out of 4 is 24. Now we can use this fact to write a division fact. All we have to do to make a division fact is work backwards. So 24 divided into groups of 4, so that's like our 1, 2, 3, would make 6 groups. See the way we've just worked backwards. So 6 times 4 is 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Now the other fact that we can make is if we change our 4 and our 6 around, because remember, when we multiply, the same as when we add, these two numbers, they don't matter which way it goes, they still make the same answer. So we could put our 4 here and 6 here. Then that would just mean it's 4 groups of 6. So that would be 1 group of 6, 2 groups of 6, 3 groups of 6, 4 groups of 6. Same amount of flowers there, they haven't added any more, so it's still going to be 24. Now when we're writing our division fact, let's focus it a little bit more. With this, can you think what our division fact would be for this? Remember, we just work backwards. So if we start with 24 and we divide it by or split it into groups of 6, we would have how many? We would have 4 groups. Okay? Now on your pages today, just want you to work through them. Be careful though. Now when you are dividing, it does matter which way around your numbers go, because if you wrote 6 divided by 24 equals 4. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots, can you split that into 24? Can you split the 6 dots into 24? No, you can't, because there's not enough there. So we have to be careful that we always put the bigger number at the start. When you get older, you can try and work that out, but it would be less than the number 1. So at the minute, always make sure if you're dividing, the biggest number comes first, and if you're multiplying, the biggest number always comes at the end. Okay?